The 2025 Audi RS7 is here, and it's pushing the boundaries of performance, luxury, and technology. This sleek sportback has always been a head-turner, but Audi took things to the next level with updated styling, sharper aerodynamics, and even more aggressive lines for 2025. From its bold honeycomb grille to the striking matrix-LED headlights and wider stance, the RS7 commands attention whether it's parked or flying down the highway. Under the hood, the 2025 RS7 packs a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8, delivering a staggering 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That power is channeled through an 8-speed automatic transmission to Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. The result is blistering acceleration, with a 0 to 60 time of just 3.2 seconds. Whether you're launching off the line or passing on the highway, the RS7 delivers relentless performance with a deep, throaty exhaust note that lets everyone know it means business. But the RS7 isn't just about brute force. Audi engineers have fine-tuned the chassis for precision handling. With adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, the RS7 feels composed and confident whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising through the city. The multiple drive modes allow you to tailor the car's personality to match your mood, from comfortable daily driving to full-on dynamic performance. Step inside, and the RS7 welcomes you with a cabin that blends high-tech innovation with premium materials. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine leather are everywhere you look, and the RS-specific sport seats provide exceptional comfort and support. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus displays everything you need in crystal-clear digital form, and the dual touchscreen MMI system handles everything from navigation to climate control with intuitive ease. Tech lovers will appreciate the seamless integration of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system that delivers concert-quality audio. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera ensure safety without compromising performance. The rear seats offer impressive space for a performance car, and the sportback design provides a surprising amount of cargo room, making the RS7 as practical as it is powerful. Whether you're heading out for a weekend road trip or simply running errands, the RS7 handles it all with style and speed. The 2025 Audi RS7 is more than just a high-performance sedan. It's a statement. A perfect blend of luxury, technology, and thrilling performance. It's ready to take on the road and leave everything else in its dust. If you're looking for a car that turns every drive into an event, the RS7 should be at the top of your list.